Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart ULEFONE Armor X12. Okay, so we have two methods how we can do it. We can perform a simple reboot using the power menu. This method is recommended when the phone is responsive and when it's working properly. So to do it, we need to simply hold the power button, and now we need to tap on the restart. That's the whole process. Then after a few seconds the device will be turned off, then turned on again automatically. But we also have the forced restart, and this method is recommended when the phone, for example, is frozen, or for example when the screen isn't responsive. So to perform a forced restart, we need to simply hold the power button until the device shuts down. So we need to keep holding, and we can release the finger. Oh, something went wrong. Let's try again. And we can release our finger when our device vibrates. So keep holding. When it vibrates, you can release your fingers, and also the ULEFONE logo appeared. Within a few seconds, the device will be turned on. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.